This was the couple which came to me, and the husband was frustrated, concerned about the health of his wife. Husband was frustrated and concerned about the health of his wife. You know why? Whenever he would have a physical relationship, she would get asthma. And that was a major issue. So he was so frustrated. A lot of time he would say that do something about it. I said, get your wife for the treatment. I cannot do anything otherwise. Every night at a fixed time, 3 o'clock, the wife would get the attack. The remedy was very clear. That's why I said a short case. And trust me, in flat 3 minutes, the patient was given the prescription, which cured her completely. Any suggestions for the remedies? Kalicarb, arsenic, Kalicarb, not Kalicarb. So all who are saying Kalicarb, please stop. Think of different remedy. Platina. Oh, Platina loves sexual relationship. Mercury, no way. No way. Asafoetida. What is the reason? I said, Jigmo, no Kalicarb. Jagruti, I can't understand your medicine. Syphilinum. Syphilinum is out and out chili. This patient was not chili. Cuprum, very close. Ambra. No, Ambra has got a very typical relationship of asthma. We'll take Ambra one of these days. Sepia, very nice thinking, But even she desired to have a relationship. So it was not that she was hating the relationship. It was not that way. So it's not sepia. Anymore? Steffi Segria, no? Pulsatilla. She's not Pulsatilla. When I tell you the remedy, you will go crazy. See, homeopathy is very interesting. Now the Parveen comes with a beautiful remedy, Cedron. How did you get Cedron, Parveen? Good thinking. Not Kodam. Periodicity, yes. What else? Parveen, where are you from? He said literally he had set the clock and it would be at 3 o'clock sharp, he would get the attack. One more interesting thing. Aggravated whenever they had a sexual relationship, it would get aggravated. So rubrics which were considered were 2 and the remedies drawn. Periodicity, difficult question after. Only remedy which covers both the symptoms. What potency and how frequently? Friends, potency. Anyway, you all seem to be tired now. The patient was given Citron 33 powders night. And the husband was traveling internationally. And in those days, in India, we didn't have much of Lego games. And he went abroad, and when the husband came back, he came back with lots of Lego games for my daughters, the box of sweets and chocolates. I asked him why. He said, now I'm relaxed. That means the Citron worked. They had the relationship, and there was no aggravation of asthma. Yes, Mona, it's very interesting. See, homeopathy is very interesting. It keeps you live all the time. No, it keeps you so much charged up, energetic. And when you use your brain cells, they remain intact. Abhijit, asafoetida is far, far away from this. And asafoetida has got a limited action. It has got more of digestive related symptoms. And here we had to, when we have got such a clear picture, he said he is much obliged and was very thankful. He said his wife does not get attacks anymore, and they can easily enjoy married life without any problem. 12 years have passed. Patient has no attack of asthma. They come for the children and grandchildren and whatnot. She has recovered completely. That is the depth of action. So what is the learning?